it's got a heck of a ring groove in it. So try to zoom in on that. This block's gonna need to be bored. It'll need to be cooked out. Need new cam bearings, new freeze plugs, maybe even decked. I thought to myself, instead of doing that, why don't I use this 360 block? This is one that I had probably, let's see the date on one of these bearings, 10 of 2006. So back in 06, I built this as a stroker motor, and I had it in my CUDA. And it had an Eagle cast steel crank in it, and that crank decided to let go. So if you see that little tiny nick right there, that's where the motor, basically the crank broke and motor locked up. But other than that, it wasn't abrupt or anything. It just kind of came apart and then it stopped. You see here it's been clearanced for bigger rods. I don't think you have to do that, but I mean for the longer stroke of the crank. But this is still a good block as far as I know. It was bored 30 over and had some forged Icon pistons in it. I'm not going back with all that. I'm doing some 60 over Speed Pros, and I'll show those to you soon. But as far as I know, this is still a good 360. I think it deserves another chance at life here. And tomorrow, I'm going to take it to Rick's High Performance Speed Shop in Stuttgart, Arkansas, and go ahead and get it bored the rest of the way. We're going to bore it 60 over. That'll clean up those piston walls really well. Check it for cracks, anything like that. Just in case, I might end up bringing that block with me. Not sure yet. Probably not. I think if this one's bad, then I may drop back and punt. But it's got new freeze plugs. It's got new cam bearings. It's been boiled out, cooked out, whatever you call that, in the vat. Should be a good builder. That bushing's been replaced. It's probably got 40 1/8 mile passes on it or something. I think that's a candidate for to build. Something else I ran into. Let me show that to you. There we are. You remember these are the heads that I called extra crispy not long ago. I went out here and cleaned them up. Looking a lot better. Even took a wire wheel, all the gasket surfaces, everything's clean and nice. I never did get that bolt out, but both of them clean, front and back. You see here, there's a fine coating of powder on these. I took these to BB Cylinder Head in BB, Arkansas, and sure enough, both of them are cracked in between the valves. You can't really see it now because it doesn't have a big magnet hooked to it, but they're no good. So that one's a little rusty. I CC'd it myself with I ended up using water because that's all I had, but yep, got a couple boat anchor weights here, trot line weights maybe. So I'll be on the hunt for some heads. But I'm going to unload these today and get that block loaded so I can get it bored out tomorrow.
Check it before you order the pistons.
Yep.
This thing is clean on 30.
So I should have bought 30 over pistons?
Yeah.